Morning, morning. Yo. Go and chat to the people them first now, man. Tell them what going on. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Paradise Nation Entertainment. Yeah, alright. So today we'll start today. We are doing a shoot with Lexi from 876. Yeah. So we come to pick her up now, but you know me have to come look for my daughter in Montego Bay. Yeah, so we see what going on from the BTS them, and we see what going on. So remember, subscribe, like, share, comment. So we know I go see what going on. You come. You forward. Yes. The evening, you know, say. Yeah, we're there up a border jerk, you know, border between Westmoreland and Hanover. We're there going normal and there get some food. Get start shooting, we go back and niggle. Right now we go back and niggle, we'll start shooting with Lexi.
Yeah.
Lexi, come here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Give me
2 festival time.
Show people the first.
Yeah.
Hey guys, good afternoon. You know it's a girl Lexi Dbess and I'm here with the never give me name.
ALTON.
Yeah, we're here with ALTON and we're gonna do a shooting. And due
Say it again.
We're gonna do a shooting.
Yeah, what many name?
ALTON. Due to it's my first time in the grill. And I'm ordering dirt for.
Yeah, when I reach now in your niggle it's still enough.
Sooner than your nigga. Jesus Christ.
No? They are the border of Westmoreland.
Oh, okay, my bad.
I get some food now because I know say I'm hungry. After a morning, Lexi have been a movie and wait still. We reach a movie for about 7 o'clock and she actually come about 11:30 to 12 o'clock. Oh, Lexi.
No, I got caught up.
You got caught up?
Yeah.
Boy, rough. Next year tell me say they live 9 minutes away than Lexi.
No, another
they actually tell me say I come from Falmouth.
No, you see? What happened was I woke up and I get caught up and I do a bag of things so the time catch up and I couldn't deliver.
Oh yeah, they're a little cleaning and everything.
Yeah, remember some I have to do my little cleaning and all of that.
So they are clean up.
But it's gonna work, alright?
Let's hope so. Lexi Dbess.
Yeah,
Lexi Dbess, so you know we there going now. We are family here, so you see me? So we are get some food now. Me almost dash with this still in. So we crush up and find out that so me almost go. Yeah, babes, you ready?
Just somebody numb.
No man, babes. Wait down, I don't panic. Babes, this is the first time we kiss. Honestly, like for days, my body was numb.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait now we get look at show me get twist sweet like it's a pineapple twist.
That shit just cliche and sound like a bullshit. So no, if a man tell you that, you believe shit. But me just
say what? What you say?
No, all of them are sitting. Me just say.
Say what?
But me kiss me all my body numb for days.
No. If a man tells you first, I can kiss. Him feel strong and him feel him body. No, you know what I mean?
Of course, it depends. Yeah, it's the first kiss I'm interested. I'm not business if you tell me say when we kiss you the pan him moon, me believe. Feel good. Me feel good. Trust me.
You feel good but your body numb?
No,
feel your body numb. I hear your body numb. You say babe the first time I kiss. Red fire come out with some foolish.
One girl can love someone and I think I'll give you body.
I chew them. Well,
girl can love you, not touch you. I must have to be honest, want to be honest.
I chew.
No, so human emotion, it can't do it.
It's true. It is true.
It's a reaction.
Alright, go to my views on marriage. Yo. But I'm here now.
No, I'm going to have his Zoom to one night and I still cannot see a way out.
And my youth, I did short forget one, but he tell me say all the way I'm Moby there. Very short Angel in focus. And say, I'm going to be a team Monday.
Ralston.
Ralston.
Check.
Sorry to hear about that still, you know. But just time to do the right thing, man. Get some steam and calm down. It's still if my man has exercise.
That shit. Yeah,
But that the ball live.
No, but that last
Just tell people you work.
They were screen recording.
Regardless of what.
Wait. Status in the van.
Exercise them and
Are that people screen recording?
Yes, screen recording.
When
Come like you know, so not miss them, my young people.
Just try to fight it. Go to night sun.
Status him gone.
Let the sun go to night sun a man in time. Not enough night too long. Go get to my sun.
Alright, ready?
Up in the morning.
Ready?
The sun coming in.
Alright, wait till Curious, come on for that. So what's your views on marriage? Top nice, Papa. Ready?
Once the sun fall the field.
Oh,
Under it. On the sun.
that's not none.
Positive, you see, the main goes to CVM.
COVID. That don't know.
Everybody have a kitchen.
Ready?
Ready? So like, what's your point? What's your view on marriage?
Come back again. Top nice, Papa.
Top nice.
Ready? One shot the food for me. Top nice, Papa.
Lucky door. AC under.
Man, that was so alright, man. I may have the same problem.
Ready? So like, what's your point of view on marriage? What do you think?
Go on.
Yeah, when people do that.
You know you're done. You like a police station, is it?
Never like that station. I mean, so them say we're not far from
Yes, guys. Welcome to Paradise Nation, a day in the life. And right now we're there in Falmouth now. You see me?
well, we're actually. By the way, guys, you know it's a girl Lexi Dbess from the face and hear the voice. And we're there at Falmouth Public Hospital across. Over there. So, yeah, man. No, you don't go swim, you can just go chill.
Oh,
And
just
you know,
chill.
So you're feeling down or you have any stress or any little thing, you go slump and look wrap them.
Yeah.
And you go and breathe.
So hold on there. You was down by the Richard Brown's film on Jammiwood and was shooting. What was the experience like working with the whole
Yo,
Richard
me I
Brown
tell you,
films?
the vibe up, and me not normally click with people that easy. You see me? But the vibe what Richard bring on him, you all around and the team, fabulous, fantastic.
I know, say a Jamaica movie we do, you know.
Yeah.
So you know, say normal, and Lexi is from Falmouth, and you know we go all over the place and use talented people, see
Right.
me, so.
And you get the right talent, you capture your thing properly, and you just put in the work.
So tell the people about yourself, Lexi. Introduce yourself.
Alright, as me say, it's a girl Lexi Dbess. I am I'm a comedic actor, I'm not a comedian. Alright, I'm a comedic actor.
What difference?
The difference is I act funny, I'm not a comedian. I don't do stand-up comedy, or don't expect me to see you in person and give you a joke.
You're funny.
No. no, not that. Listen, I'm a comedic. Alright, may I give you alright. May I give you an idea. You know, what a thick guy the name, man? A thick Durak isn't a comedian. But you watch, no, when I watch somebody show them, I get joking, do some little joking sometimes. I'll probably never go up on that show.
Probably go so. Alright.
I do some little gimmicks, like I can act funny. You can see me in a video, and when you watch it, you laugh. But it is not me in reality.
So basically, you're saying you're not a normal person then. You're not a regular normal person.
But yeah, I'm not a comedian. I'm a comedic actor. The viewers gonna know what's a comedic actor, and I'm an influencer as well. I have a lot of things because I'm an.
You say you have a lot of businesses. Tell them about
I have 2 businesses. Nobody got crap. Nobody got give people them enough of my interest.
Oh.
Anyways, yeah.
Have people.
Yeah, I have a hair business and I have a lingerie, nightly, gowns, vape, lip balm. I have a lip line as well for your cracky lips and all of that. But you know you can always follow me, Lexi the best. Let's get down into what me that I deal with right now.
Yeah.
So as me I say now, I'm an actress.
Yeah.
Me do acting. Boss gun.
In a movie.
Boss gun. As me can play bad role, can play the villain, I can play the good character, any role you give me.
You're ready for it.
Ready for that long time. Up and running.
So hopefully next time I'm here, you know, I see, you know.
Yeah,
in the movie.
And not cutting you. I am coming up with my own movie soon. We just want to finish write it. Because I don't know normal movie. A real top movie, alright? So what you say wanna know, mister?
Want to know about Falmouth, man, place there.
Falmouth is the capital of Trelawney. And Usain Bolt went to the William Nib Memorial High School in Falmouth.
Which school you go?
I went to Albertown in Trelawney. Top Trelawney. Yeah, big up Albertown High.
Albertown people, big up on yourself.
Red dirt and the yam and the strong yam for the country girl, and that's why the town man them not stop come down here, come. Them all left them woman at town and come a country. And them know why, alright? So you see you have this nice beautiful tree when you come sit down. You enjoy yourself properly. You don't have nothing to worry about. Alright? Yeah,
so
man.
she's Lexi Dbess is our Instagram name and our
And
YouTube
not only
name.
Lexi Dbess is TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, everything.
People use Twitter?
Twitter is one of the most trending app in Jamaica. But you guys don't really gravitate to it because it's not a place where you can post video. Okay, you gravitate to it.
TikTok.
Because as a social media person, TikTok is good to use, and it's something where the latest things come out on it. Tweet.
You have an audience on Twitter?
When I was at 876, all of us were everybody did that trend, but she never used Twitter. Anything happen, it trend. Anything that the world,
trend. We don't really use it.
Yeah, we never use it, but after a while,
we don't really use social media. So if we jump on one way, we put it for 1 week and then next week and I post no point.
But yeah, man, like for real.
But it was really nice working with you, Lexi. Well, shooting, because I was doing the filming and Richard. Yeah, Akeem ran fire them.
Yeah, Akeem is a good.
How much meals
collaborate with?
Yeah.
A lot. I collaborate with a lot of meals. Video shoot.
Much man, well, I don't want to say it on its own. How much money are there with in that movie?
How much money there with? 4.
4.
First of all, that was my idea. That's why I say the role you give me, I play it. I play it to the best of my ability. So no matter what kind of role.
So you're ready for it?
If them give me Mary up above.
But I not tell a lot of people, I love to work with Lexi.
And the thing about it, guys, I could have do way better. I did well, but I could have do exceptionally.
It was the first movie officially.
It was.
Officially,
apart from the TV reality and all of that.
Yeah,
you know, I did a movie in Montego Bay, but we did the first part, and you know, nothing more back from the people them.
So welcome to Jamaica #1 movie industry.
Yeah, man, we have to pick them up. Richard alone, I really do this, like gravitate. I see other little sketches, but Richard
you come around and see how people them deal.
Yeah, man, Richard see more
energy.
a lot of Jamaica people doing movies, but out of everybody, I kind of gravitate to Richard, because Richard kind of have Richard and the team, all of you, you have the look, you have a mindset towards movie. You know, some people do movie and 5 years before you hear back from them. Movie if you come out, if you pump YouTube, if you milk YouTube, and that is how you create and you build the strategy for your channel, for the Richard Blount channel. And people loved it. People love to show them. show them at, you know. So
you feel like say if we go in I told now people will know me?
me I tell you, it depends, you know.
You want to take a walk?
Yeah man. It depends on
we're not going to
one place, at least one place.
Alton. You know,
Anyway,
somebody are going to see Alton and say, Ray, you know that already. It don't make no sense.
Lexi.
no, it up to him. It really up to you.
You not take no time people, so we are going to see all the people.
Yeah, we're not going in the night, brother. We're not going in the night.
Remember me
On the night. We are businessmen at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock?
Yo, Lexi,
Into 2, in a reach 2
Lexi, big them up and tell them so later.
Yeah, people, so big up on yourself, big up Richard Brown Flims, big up Paradise, Nation said we, big up everything, big up Akin. We have a big editor around here and we have actor, multi-talented, him can do everything, him come like me, alright? So big up on yourself people, you know it's a girl Lexi the best and we are going to deal with what this man I say I'm going to deal with right now.
Thank you guys for watching, remember to subscribe,
yeah, man, always
like,
subscribe.
share, comment. You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah man, I have a YouTube channel, CM Lexi the best, alright?
So,
and
we are going to miss you now. Feel one little day.
For real, like the vibes. But me I come back. Me tell Richard say me I come back soon and possible. I love the vibes, you know, and that movie there, you need for hurry.
I know this movie now, man, normal Alex.
Yeah man, yeah, tell us how
ready to feet in Alex, and normal.
Me I know me really I feel it though. I'm feeling it.
Actually look like up at Portland, man. Portland.
Grand Street.
Yo, all the Scotia Bank look old school building.
I don't like Scotia.
You don't like them either?
No, Scotia is not a bank to like.
Like Victoria, big up Victoria Mutual.
Yeah man, you see Victoria and them bank there, go straight one way.
And them use stuff like for your YouTube?
What? No, NCB me use and like cash up and them something there.
For your YouTube?
What am I saying?
What?
No, me not something there. Me not start get paid for YouTube.
Some of you go?
We are do better.
No one made this Lexi, but you come
No, me tell him say I saw me tell him to go.
Some of you go.
Alright, you can go and say. Yeah man, go say. Other way me tell him to go wrong, boy.
Boy, I broke you 1 year a while ago.
Look, it's not funny. Alright, so no in ice cream now.
Alright, so this is the square.
Yeah. You can park, you want some park.
Alright.
Alton, really go when I turn go up on them?
See down here, see the waterfront, the waterfall is just go here, so come in here, so. What me have to do up here, so? Me have anything to do up here, so?
I can come out and walk around and come out. There's a good walk around there, so.
You see, Falmouth people, all of them know me. You see, if I see me, we don't know. Then go there fast. Oh, I can't park here, so.
But Lexi, you don't know your place, man.
No, but a regular park here, so I don't know what happened now. Alright, go on man, go on and just go back around.
Are they more of Falmouth photos or?
Wait a minute. Look how long. You well and know, can I tell us when you read? Yeah man, go straight. What? And then I go now. I already reached there. Hello?
So yes people, thank you guys for watching. We're in a Falmouth. And we are watching what going on. The pier now, the pier locked down, like it locked down for a good while too. So remember to subscribe, like, share, comment. Paradise Nation, Alton, normal boss up in a Falmouth town. Let's see if we can get some reaction from the people them. Hopefully.
One way down there, so.
Right, because they might build up on a fire station.
How long that did so?
You have place here?
Brighter.
No KFC?
Then just get KFC all day.
Brighter. Brighter.
First place I have to let that.
Yes, I better place for you and live in.
Wait, where you sir?
Relax yourself.
No comments.
Go to all what you need in places.
That's like somewhere where me I walk, me I have to be careful and look out and head back around to the other side.
Yes, our fire station. What's the call it? The fire station.
Me understand. If you say you have enough yam up here.
No, you get it wrong there below. You see the yam part? Yeah, let me tell you something about chilani. You have two chilani. You have top chilani. See one chilani, but like, when you divide it, you have top chilani, I have like bottom chilani. Well, they don't call it bottom, but they just have a top. You see the top chilani I will be digging high school. Way up the side of the hills and yam. Down your side more for the town.
So me I go?
Some of them go back, no more they go back, but you have to go let me off. Go let me off over KFC. See KFC then the Sakura and the pizza out and the one and everything. So just go in at the plaza and just let me off at the plaza. If you want my mom to do. No, I eat. That's good. Oh, me I got what's so many. You see how much slip on my head? What time?
Yo, give me some Wi-Fi there. Hold on. Which part restaurant you on there?
Okay.
Give me some Wi-Fi now, please. Just for a second.
I remember now if I come in and see. I look like it's close. I don't see nobody out there.
So yes people, hope we don't catch a music anymore. We're there in a Falmouth now and we're there to shoot some movie and I go on easy, you see me? They do the right thing. I mean they're right up in a Falmouth now, like. We don't know what the plaza name still. We don't know what the plaza name, but yeah. So when we see this tomorrow, you know today is my daughter's birthday. I'm gonna spend the day with her. Spend the day with her. Well, so people, subscribe, like, share, comment.